If you are creating a form in Microsoft Word and you are drawing a line by going to the Insert tab, stop. You are doing it the hard way and it's probably going to make your form look messy. But let me show you. There's a built-in trick that gives you the perfect straight professional line in Microsoft Word. Let me show you. This is the common mistake everyone does when they are creating a form or a contract for someone to sign, and there is a blank area for someone to write his or her name or to fill the form, and you need to draw a line to indicate where the person has to sign, write his name, or whatever information you need on the form or on the contract. Usually, what people do is that they go to the Insert tab and look for shapes. They tap on shapes and they look for a line. They click on the line and they start manually drawing a line in front of the needed information or the information they need to fill the form or to sign the contract. And this is what I am saying. It makes your work messy. It doesn't look professional enough. There's a quick and easy way of getting this done, and it's even easier than going through this step-by-step process. Let me show you the quickest, the easiest way of applying these blank lines on your document, and it looks professional and straight and does not make your work look messy. Let's take a look at it. Just highlight the data you are trying to draw a blank line in front of. Highlight all of them and right click on it. Select paragraph from the menu that appears. A dialog box will appear after right clicking. Go to the tab section, click on the tab section, and then type 10 on the space you see here. Follow my mouse pointer. Type 10 there and then select 4. And then click on set. And then click OK. When you are done, select where you want to draw the line and use the tab section on your keyboard. Click on the tab section and your line is drawn. On each of them, wherever you want to draw the line. Wherever you want to draw the line, click on the tab section and your line is drawn. As easy as that. This is even beautiful and better than the previous one, and it's perfectly in line with what you are looking for, and it does not move when you add more information to your data. It will stay in its place. Try it and leave your comments in the comment section. This method is better for 3 reasons. The line moves with your text automatically. No more dragging shapes around. And it is consistent every time. Same thickness, same alignment. And finally, it actually prints and exports to PDF cleanly, unlike some inserted shapes that can shift. So next time you are building a form or a contract and you need to draw a line in front of a text so you can fill the document, don't reach out for the insert section and then shapes. All you have to do is highlight the text you want to put a blank line in front of, right click and go to paragraphs, fill in the required information, click OK and use the tab key on your keyboard to fill in the lines professionally and easy for you. That is it. If this video saved you time and headache, do hit the subscribe section, like the video, and put your comment in the comment section. Don't forget to share for others to benefit from the channel. I'll see you in the next video.